Hello children, we have done the prime factorization to find whether the number is cube, perfect cube or not. By what number it should be multiplied or divided. Now we are doing the cube root. So what is meant by cube root? It is the inverse operation of finding a cube. It is the inverse operation of finding a cube. How? It is denoted by, as square root is denoted by here 2, here cube root it will be denoted by 3. We will make pair of 3 and find single one out. 2 cube. 2 cube is equals to 8. 2 cube is equals to 8. What it means? 2 is the cube root of 8. In the same way, 5 cube is equals to 125. Implies 5 is the cube root of 125. 5 is the cube root of 125. How we will write the value of cube root? For example, we have to find the cube root of 125. You will find its prime factors. 5 into 5. Make a pair of 3 in triplet. So 5 is in triplet. So that will be equals to 5 cube, or we can just take 1 5 out. So that will be its cube root. So cube root of 125 is 5. Or there is a procedure, 5 raised to the power 3 into 1 upon 3. You can cut, so our answer will be equals to 5. But for the sake of simplicity, we can make the triplet and take one common value, and that will be our cube root. So now we will be finding cube root by prime factorization method. Now exercise 7.2, page 116. Find the cube root by the prime factorization method. First part is 64. Now since, as I have already told, you must know the divisibility test. Divided by 2. 2 3 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 16, 2 8, 2 4 is 8, 2 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2. So what we calculated here, 64 can be written as, just see, 3 pairs are there. Its prime factors are like this. Taking cube root sign. So cube root of 64 is equals to cube root of the whole term. Now make pair of triplets. Clear? So 1 2 common from out of this, 1 2 common. 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So cube root of 64 is 2 into 2 is equals to 4. That will be our answer. Okay children, now doing third part. It says find the cube root of 10,648 by prime factorization method. As again unit digit is 8, so by divisibility test it will be divisible by 2. 2 5 is 10, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. Again divisible. 2 2 is 4, 2 6 12, 2 6 12, 2 2 is 4. Again divisible by 2. 2 ones, 2 threes, 2 threes, 2 ones. Now unit digit is 1. It is neither divisible by 2. Sum of the digit 10, neither divisible by 3. By checking on, we can check that it is neither divisible by 2, 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, odd place, even place. 1 plus 1, 2, 3 plus 3 is 6. You can just check it about odd, even, odd, even. 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 minus 4, 0. So it is divisible by 11. 11 1, 11. 11 2s, 11 1. 11 11, so 11 ones. That means if you know the divisibility test, you can easily find it. So write down the value in terms of prime factor. 10,648 is 2 into 2 into 11 into 11 into 11. Clear? Taking cube root sign. 10,648, or you can write direct value or make the cube root sign here. Now take 1 2. Out of 311 take 111. Cube root. 11 2 is 22. So answer cube root of 10,648 is 22. I hope this is clear. So always remember divisibility test and prime factorization, then find the cube root. Yes children, now I am doing 7th and 8th part. For the same question, find the cube root by prime factorization method. Here unit digit is 2, so it must be divisible by 2. So just find out. 2 5s 10, 2 5s 10, 2 2s 2 9 18, 2 6 12. Again unit digit divisible by 2. 2 2s 2 7, 2 6 8 12, 2 4s 8, 2 8 16. Again 2 1s 2 3s 2 8, 2 2s 2 4s 8. Again I think it's divisible by 2. 2 6 12. Clear children? Again divisible by 2. 2 3 6, 2 4s 8, 2 5 10, 2 6 12. Again divisible by 2. 2 1s 2 7 14, 2 2s 4, 2 8 16. 2 8 16, 2 6 12, 2 4s 8. 2 4s 8, 2 3 6, 2 2s. This whole I think is divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 1, 2 6. Yes. 2 1s 2 0, 2 8 16, 2 7, no, 2 2 2 5 10, 2 4s 8. 2 2 is 4, 2 7. Now 7 plus 2 is 9. So it is divisible by 3. 3 9 is 27. 3 3 is 9. 27. 7 plus 2 9 divisible by 3. 3 3 is 9. 3 1 is 3. So we can write the prime factorization 1,10,592. First of all, 1 2's. You can make the pairs. Okay. Now only 3 is left. So putting the cube root sign now. Cube root of 1,10,592. You can write directly. Out of these 3 2's in triplet, 1 2. Out of these 3 1. Out of these 3's in pair of triplet 1. So 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48. Hence cube root of our given number is 48. That will be our answer. I hope this is clear. Yes children, now we are doing divisibility using divisibility test and prime factorization. Cube root of 46,656 divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 6, 2 3 6, 2 2 4, 2 8 16. 2 1s 2, 2 1s 2, 2 6 12, 2 6 12, 2 4s 8. 2 5 10, 2 8 16, 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4. Again divisible by 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 9 18, 2 1s 2, 2 6 12. 2 1s 2, 2 4s 8, 2 5 10, 2 8. Now 8. Just check out whether it is divisible by 2. 2 7 14, 2 2 is 4, 2 9 18. Yes. Now divisibility test of 3. 3 2 6, 1 carry, 3 4 is 12, 3 3 is 9. 3 8 24, 3 2 is 3 7, 3 9, 3 3 is 3 1. Clear children? So now we will write in terms of prime factors. 1,75,616 is equals to, make them into the prime factors and write the values. Now find the cube root. So cube root of 1,75,616. Out of this, one pair. Out of this, 1. Out of these 3, 1. Out of these 3, only 1, 7. So our answer will be 2 2s 4 2s 8 8 7 56. That means cube root of 1,75,616 is 56. This completes our part. Now we are doing 10th part. 91,125. Unit digit is not 2, so not divisible by 2. Sum of the digit 18, so divisible by 3. 3 3s 9, 3 0 0, 3 3s 9, 3 7 21, 3 5 15. Again 3, 3 1s 3, 3 0 0, 3 1s 3 2 6, 3 5 15. 3 calculate, 3 3 is 9, 3 3 is 9, 3 7 15, 3 5. Again unit digit is 5. Just check out, 5 7 12, 12 3 is 15, 15 3 is 18. Yes, divisible by 3. 3 ones, 3 ones, 3 2 6, 3 5 15. 3 3 3 is 9, 3 7 21, 3 5 15. 7 3 10 5 15. Yes, divisible. 3 ones, 3 2s 3 5. 5 2 7 1 8. Not divisible by 3. So it must be unit digit is 5, divisible by 5. So now write in terms of prime factors. 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3, and left out is 5 into 5 into 5. Now taking cube root, that will be equals to, out of these 3 pairs, 3 is 1 3, out of these 3 is 1 3, out of these 5 1 5. So cube root of 91125 means 91,125. That will be equals to 3 3 is 5 9 5 45. That will be our answer. That's it for today, and I hope you will remember divisibility test, prime factorization, then the rule to finding the cube root. So you will complete exercise 7.2, question number 1, second, fourth, fifth, sixth and ninth part, and if you want you can complete whole exercise in your notebooks. Have a great day.